Hey everyone, it's been a while, but here's a new video. Video actually shortly explaining the measures that Activision has put in place to avoid automated tools logging in. They added a recaptcha on the login page. And this means that any tools you have written in the past won't work anymore using going through the flow of authentication that we had before, because they have added this recaptcha where you have to put a check that you're not a robot. There's tools that even can automate this part, but I won't recommend any of them. The easiest way to just do it for now is to until they someday maybe even let's hope provide a full API. We can register for an app that uses the API. That would be the best way, of course. It's a call out to Activision. Please provide a way, like they have, by the way, for Activision Blizzard, for the Blizzard, the original Blizzard games. They do have an official API that you can use. So please provide this also for Call of Duty. Anyway, until that happens, the only way around this is to actually get your single sign-on token using the developer tools, and then copying that single sign-on token straight into your tools and pass that along to actually call the API, to do API calls that need you to be authenticated. So how would you do this in Firefox, for example? You can go to more, so on the hamburger menu, more tools. Then you have web developer tools. This will open a pane on the bottom. We're gonna open storage. Then we actually sign in. Check I am not a robot, sign in. There you go. Of course, they ask you to set up two-factor authentication if you don't have it yet. Anyway, what you need will be in the there it is. So on the left, so you go to the storage tab, under cookies on the My Call of Duty domain, and then here it is what you need. That's the value you actually want, and then we copy this. Now I have created a new playbook showing how to use this token to then actually do API calls. So what do we need? We import OS, import requests, and we import those two. And then, in this case, I first put my single sign-on token as an environment variable in the terminal. And then I read the token there. And then the actual part is we create a cookies variable containing a dictionary with the account as a cookie that we pass along the single sign-on token. So yeah, if you would do this without the environment variable thing, it would look like this. Oh, wait, I put it here. Cookies. Voila, shift enter. And then if you, for example, want to get, what do I do here? I get the the match history from a player on the Xbox Live platform. In the requests call, you actually pass along the cookies variable, and that's it. Once you do this, you'll be able to actually do an API call. And then, for example, in this case, I'm getting the unique player ID that Activision uses. So that's it. You log in on the page, get your single sign-on token through the web developer tools, copy that, put it in a dictionary named cookies or whatever you want. With one actual that's needed. That's the this named like this, the act_sso_cookie. There you put the actual token, and then you pass along this variable together with your API, with your requests call, and then you should be fine. You do any request like this, and it will work. And that's it for this video. Thank you.